Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is variation of parameters method. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write. So here I have written non-homogeneous linear differential equation of second order and its solution. So here there are two methods for finding the particular solution. So one is solution by undetermined coefficient and second one is variation of parameters method. So today I will discuss this method, how to find the particular solution using this method. So what do you mean by variation of parameters method? So this method, write down, can I write note? This method can be used to find particular solution of non-homogeneous equation containing no arbitrary constant क्या लिखा हूँ? इस मेथड से मुझे फाइंड करना है पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन किस तरह से फाइंड किया जाता है YP of non-homogeneous equation containing no arbitrary constant. What is the standard form of the non-homogeneous equation? So can I write y double dashed plus ay dashed plus of by equals to rx. Here r is a function of x and a and b are two arbitrary constant. So इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द नॉन होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन. सो जनरल सॉल्यूशन आएगा y इक्वल्स टू y ऑफ h प्लस ऑफ y ऑफ p. सेम प्रोसेस whatever I have discussed in previous method, solution by variation of parameters, solution by undetermined coefficient. So here, so YH is the general solution of the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation and YP be the any particular solution of the given non-homogeneous equation. So that is YP. How to calculate here YP in this process? So YP it becomes therefore particular solution YP. What is the formula? So can I write minus y1 into integration of y2 into r whole divided by Wronskian into dx plus of y2 into integration of y1 into r divided by Wronskian into dx. So here Wronskian not equals to 0. If this part becomes 0, so the solution becomes undefined. So here I have written, so what is y1, y2, what is r and what is w? I will discuss. If I take one example, then it is clear how to find the particular solution of the given differential equation. So using this formula, I have to find particular solution. Here I have written yp equals to y suffix p. Here I have written yp be the any particular solution of the non-homogeneous equation and yh be the general solution of the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation. So here yp becomes minus of y1 into integration of y2 into r. Here the right hand side it becomes r divided by Wronskian. I will discuss how to find. I have already discussed how to find the Wronskian of two functions into dx plus of y2 into integration of y1 into r by Wronskian into dx. Here w not equals to 0. W becomes Wronskian. So if I take one example, then it is clear. So can I write solve? Can I write y double dashed minus of 4y dashed minus of 4y dashed plus of 4y equals to 4y equals to e to the power the 2x by x using variation using variation of parameters method, variation of parameters मेथड। कौन सा मेथड से फाइंड करना है इसका सॉल्यूशन? वेरिएशन ऑफ पैरामीटर्स मेथड से फाइंड करना है मुझे। व्हाट इज द सेकंड ऑर्डर नॉन होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन? y double dashed, that means d2y by dx2 minus 4 into dy by dx plus 4 into y equals to rx. Rx it becomes, rx is a function of x, e to the power 2x by x. So how to find the solution? If I find the solution in thoroughly, then everybody can understand this part. So the given equation is, can I write the given equation is, can I write y double dashed minus of 4 into y dashed plus of 4 into y equals to e to the power 2x by x. Do the numbering, suppose this is 1. Where rx it becomes, where rx, r is a function of x, it becomes e to the power 2x by whole divided by x. Can I write this line? So what is the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation? Therefore the homogeneous part of 1 is, so can I write y double dashed minus of 4 into y dashed plus of 4 into y equals to 0. Can I write this line? Then this is the homogeneous equation of the non-homogeneous equation. So this is the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation. So how to find the solution? Same process. So do the numbering, this part becomes 2. So here check it, if the coefficient of y dashed and coefficient of y becomes constant, then you have to find the solution in this process. Y equals to e to the power the mx be the trial solution, where m not equals to 0. E to the power the mx, y equals to e to the power the mx be the trial solution of 2. So here, so can I write y dashed, taking ordinary derivative with respect to x both sides, m into e to the power the mx. Again y double dashed, so can I write m square into e to the power the mx. If you find y triple dashed, you must get m cube into e to the power the mx. Same process. So replacing the values from 2, so can I write from 2, replacing all the values, y double dash, that means m square into e to the power the mx. So can I write m square into e to the power the mx minus of 4 into y dashed means m into e to the power the mx. Here I have written y dashed plus of y 4 into e to the power the mx equals to how much? Equals to 0. So can I write this line? So taking common e to the power the mx both sides, e to the power the m square minus 4m plus of 4 whole into e to the power the mx whole into e to the power the mx equals to 0. So can I write this part? It becomes, so can I write m square minus 4m plus 4 equals to 0, since e to the power the mx not equals to 0. Can I write this line? Can I write this line? M square minus 4m plus 4 equals to 0. So can I write a square minus 2ab plus b square? So m minus 2 whole square equals to 0. So can I write m becomes how much? This is the quadratic equation. This equation is known as auxiliary equation or characteristics equation. So m equals to 2, 2. Here these two roots are real and equal. If two roots are real and equal, what is the general solution? The general solution becomes y of h. Here y suffix h indicates homogeneous. So here general solution it becomes c1 into c1 plus of c2x whole into e to the power the mx. M it becomes 2, so e to the power the 2x. Where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. Can I write this line? So here I have written C1 plus, if two roots are real and equal, then what is the formula? If two roots are real and distinct, what is the formula? If two roots are complex conjugate, then what is the formula? Here I have written this part. Then check it, which implies, so this part indicates y1 equals to, this part indicates y1 equals, what is the coefficient of C1? So e to the power the 2x. What is the coefficient of C2? Coefficient of C2, it becomes, you can assume x into e to the power the 2x. So which implies y1 equals to, so this part, and y2 equals to this part. Can I write this line? Coefficient of C1, so it becomes e to the power 2x, so that's why I have assumed y1, and coefficient of C2, so it becomes x into e to the power 2x, so that part becomes x into e to the power 2x. Can I write this line? Then Rx is given, this part, Rx is given e to the power 2x by x. Here I have written Rx. Can I write this line? Then how to find the Wronskian? The Wronskian of two functions y1 and y2. Wronskian of two functions y1, y2, it becomes determinant of y1 dashed, y2 dashed. So can I write this line? Can I write? So here y1 equals to this part, so therefore, so can I write? Therefore we can write y1 equals to, suppose e to the power 2x. So what is y1 dashed? Y1 dashed, it becomes e to the power 2x, again d dx of 2x, so it becomes 2. y2 it becomes, so can I write x into e to the power 2x, taking ordinary derivative with respect to x both sides, so y2 dashed. So can I write, first function is constant, differentiation of the second function 2 into e to the power 2x, plus of second function is constant, differentiation of the first function, so it becomes 1. Can I write this line? Then finally, so here it is 2x into e to the power 2x, so replacing the values here. So can I write so therefore Wronskian it becomes Wronskian of y1, y2. So what is the determinant value? y1 into y2 dashed, minus y2 into y1 dashed, y1 into y2 dashed minus of y1 into y2 dashed minus of y2 into y1 dashed. So replacing the values, y2 into y1 dashed, replacing the values. What is y1? y1 it becomes, here I have written, y1 it becomes this part, e to the power 2x. What is y2 dashed? y2 dashed, can I write this line? 2x into e to the power 2x plus of e to the power 2x. Can I write this line? Here I have written this part, 2x e to the power 2x plus of e to the power 2x, minus of, what is y2? y2 that means this part, x into e to the power 2x. This is y2 into y1 dashed. What is y1 dashed? 2 into e to the power 2x. 2 into e to the power 2x. If you simplify this part, so it becomes how much? So can I write 2x e to the power 2x into e to the power 2x. That means e to the power 4x. So e to the power 4x. Then can I write e to the power 2x plus e to the power 2x. So can I write e to the power 4x minus of this part, it becomes 2x, 2 into x, 2x, e to the power 4x, So check it, this part cancelled. So finally we can write e to the power 4x. This part becomes not equals to 0. If this part not equals to 0, then we must say y1 and y2 are two linearly independent solutions. So here I have written y and y2 two linearly independent solutions. So all of you know the superposition principle. Here in this case. So you can write, so e to the power 4x not equals to 0. So what is the solution? Particular solution. Therefore, particular solution yp y suffix p equals to, what is the formula? Minus y1 into integration of y2 into r whole divided by Wronskian whole into dx plus of y2 into integration of y1 into r whole divided by Wronskian into dx. So replacing all the values y1, y2, r and Wronskian, replacing all the values. So can I write minus y1? What is y1? y1 it becomes this part e to the power the 2x, so minus e to the power the 2x into, so can I write y2 into r? What is y2? What is y2? x into e to the power the 2x, x into e to the power the 2x, this is y2. What is r? What is r? R becomes whatever the equation is given, the right hand side, r it becomes, it is given e to the power the 2x by x, e to the power the 2x by x whole divided by, what is Wronskian? I have already calculated. Wronskian of y1, y2, it becomes e to the power the 4x. So can I write e to the power the 4x dx plus of y2? What is y2? y2 that means x into e to the power the 2x, x into e to the power the 2x integration of y1 into r. What is y1? y1 becomes e to the power the 2x, y1 it becomes e to the power the 2x. Can I write y1? r. What is r? r it becomes e to the power the 2x by x whole divided by, so it becomes Wronskian it becomes e to the power the 4x dx. Can I write this line? Then check it, e to the power the 2x, e to the power the 2x whole, so that means e to the power the 4x divided by e to the power the 4x, this part cancelled and x cancelled, so finally we can write only dx. So can I write e to the power the minus 2x whole into integration of dx plus of x into e to the power the 2x. So here e to the power the 2x, e to the power the 2x. So can I write e to the power the 4x? E to the power the 4x divided by e to the power the 4x. This part cancel. So finally we will get dx by x. So can I write integration of dx by x? So can I write this line? So yp, therefore yp, y suffix p equals to, what is the integration? So e to the power the minus 2x into integration of dx, so it becomes x plus of x into e to the power the 2x, x into e to the power the 2x. What is the integration of dx by x? So it becomes log x, log of mod of x. Can I write this line? So if whatever I have got the particular solution, this part does not contain any arbitrary constant. So here, so what is the required general solution? So this is yp. So can I write this part becomes yp, this is the particular solution. Okay. So can I write, if I write the general solution in this case, if I write the general solution, the required general solution of the given non-homogeneous equation is, so the required general solution it becomes, y equals to y h of x plus of the and y p of x. Can I write this line? This is the general solution of the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation, and this is the particular solution, any particular solution of the given non-homogeneous equation. So can I write this part? It becomes, so y equals to, so can I write what is y h of x? Here I have already written c1 plus c2x whole into can I write e to the power the 2x plus of, what is ypx? So can I write x into e to the power the, so here it is negative sign, so minus e to the power the, so this part becomes minus. So can I write this part becomes minus? Then you can write, so x into c1 plus c2x e to the power the x. So can I write minus of x into e to the power the 2x and plus of plus of x into e to the power the 2x into log of mod of x, where c1 and c2, where c1 and c2, so where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants, are arbitrary constant, arbitrary constant. So this part is the required general solution of the non-homogeneous equation using variation of parameters method. So this is all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the session and like the tricks that I have shared you in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button, and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.